What's the role of a teacher in education?
So this is where I think we need to seriously rethink fundamentally how education works, because the model that we have of a teacher right now, based off what we had the same 100 years ago, is that you would have this expert that stands in front of a class and lectures to the students. They have all the information in their brain, and they need to, through speaking magical words, is going to move that information from their brain into the student's brain. As we said previously, that isn't actually how it works. You don't learn by consuming information. So that model of the teacher being the person responsible for the learning isn't right. It's about the student being responsible for learning. So that's the first thing that we need to start changing, is recognizing that learning exists in the hands of the student, not in the teacher. Okay, cool. What does the teacher do? The role of the teacher needs to be about guiding the social process of learning. It's not about being the custodian of information or having all of the knowledge, but it's about motivating the students and creating an environment where students are joyful, where students are inspired, where students are encouraged to move through challenges and problems. That's what a teacher needs to start doing. And we need to start breaking those roles up. We need to start recognizing, okay, let's have the subject matter experts, the people that understand math, coding, and the ability to explain them the best. Let's have them teaching. Let's have them using YouTube videos and online content in order to get the best people, the best explainers in the world to fulfill the role of explaining concepts. But then let's not move that responsibility onto every teacher. The responsibility of the teacher should then be to empower students to utilize that information that exists online or that exists out there and inspire them to push through the challenges that happen in the day-to-day of learning. So it's about breaking up the role of the teacher. The teacher does so many things, from the admin involved in the class to the marking, to the attendance, to the explaining, where I think the teacher's role would be most effective and where we should put all of energy is let's enable the teacher to inspire students.